G'day gang, we're out playing with the red Commodore.
The rust bucket.
Yeah, the rust bucket. It's not a rust bucket. We've I don't know whether you noticed it. It's got the 660 on it now. So we've rodded it. It's a good thing about having Holdens and Holden powered things is that you can always swap parts around. So
especially saying it's red, it covers the rust. You don't notice it.
Says the guy who drives a shitbox Ford.
First time race day.
What did Paulie say? Driver returns on foot.
No. Fantastic or rather devastating cars.
Is that correct? Now, what's he done with the cap? Okay. One parity cap. The last time I had this running, it was running pretty ordinary. And Paul had gotten one of his friends to change the plugs out and what have you. And he just got the timing the firing order just a little bit wrong. We've put the centre piece in for the gear shifts around. Well, I don't know what he's going to do, whether he's going to keep that carry on in there or not, but there we go, we're hooked up. And realistically, this has still got fuel in it from when it was on the ute. So realistically, we should be fire and go. I'll leave this running for just a bit. As you can hear that clatter going on, that is a whole bunch of gear drives for the camshaft, which you know I hate. Just mate, that makes a horrible noise, doesn't it? Sounds too bad. We'll just let that warm up for a bit more and I'll tune the dial that in. Then we'll give it a bit of a rev up after. That seems to have settled down a little bit now. Carburetor set. sound nice and cammy out the back here. Not bad. Not bad. A little more fiddling. Lift that up a little bit. I think it's a winner. I think it's a winner. See how she starts, eh? Beautiful. Gotta be happy. Yep. Gotta be happy. Squeeze in. Goes into gear. Never wants to move, eh? Good stuff. Hope yourselves a good one. Hope yourselves a good one. Alright, that's a bit sketchy. Hope yourselves a good one. We'll check you later. Yep. Getting a bit smoky.